Hey guys, I am going to show you guys an improvement I made to the quad lock phone mount for the Seadoo skis. This was my original design, all 3D printed, and this one has been on here for an entire year. So very strong, and most of you guys don't ride as much as I do, so you're probably never going to have a problem. I ride 2 to 3 times a week religiously. So after a year, and I actually slammed into this on a rough wave, I finally broke off 2 tabs. So still works, believe it or not. So, but it gave me an idea to go ahead and make this a hybrid mount also. So this one is still available. And like I said, this has been on my ski used at least twice a week, all year round. No issues whatsoever. But I finally went ahead and made this new improved version of it, so you'll have 2 versions to choose from, and this is what the hybrid's going to look like. The addition of the hybrid, this has actual genuine quad lock mounts inside my design. Phone mount like the normal, locks on there. These tabs are not going to break like that one did. This is the original tether that I had with this one, still going strong. And this is optional if you want it, but this one has saved my butt a couple times when I would knock my phone off. But anyway, you can see right here, you've got that locked in there. Put this on. And now you're secure. So if it does happen to twist or fall off, your phone's not going to go any further than that. So there is the hybrid. Not only the addition of this, but now I have got different colors available, not just the black. So same mount, a little bit beefier, a little bit more money on this one, but depends on what you want. If you ride as much as I do, I highly recommend it. Installs the exact same way. So I'll put the link to the installation video in this one as well. Thanks for watching, guys. So thanks for watching. We will see you out there on the water. Look for me. See you later.